Empty database, no tables, no data, nothing works. Today, you create your first SQL table the right way. Let's go. SQL has two branches. DDL, data definition. Language, builds the structure, think create. DML, data manipulation language, moves the data. Think insert, update, delete, select. Today is all DDL. A table represents one thing. Rows are records, one per item. Columns are fields, the attributes. Every cell holds one value. That's the whole rule. Before you write a single line of SQL, build a data model. List your fields. Pick a primary key that's unique. Give things clear names. Design first. Type second. Now turn the model into a design chart. Field name, data type, and size. Constraints. This chart is your blueprint. Every create statement flows from it. For the primary key, use identity. Int identity. 1 comma. 1 starts at 1 and counts up by 1. Automatic. Unique. 0 bugs. 3 constraints you'll use every day. Not null. Field is required. Unique. No duplicates allowed. Default. Auto fills a value if none is given. Here's the create syntax. Create table. The name. Open parent. List each field with its data type, separated by commas. Then define the primary key constraint at the end. Close parent. Done. Name your primary key constraint with 3 parts. PK_car_car ID. PK means primary key. Car is the table. Caret is the field. When something breaks, you'll know exactly where. Made a mistake? Drop table deletes it completely. Need to change it? Alter table lets you add, drop, or alter a column, but be careful. Changes can wipe your data. You just built a table like a pro. Next episode, we insert data into it. Drop create in the comments, like subscribe. See you in EP4.